Dogs in clothes. Dogs in clothes. Everybody knows there's nothing funnier than dogs in clothes. You watch the greats on the silver screen. You think it can't get any better, but you haven't even laughed, my friend, till you've seen a canine in a sweater. You can tell all the jokes in your big joke book, proud fall along with the pros. But I'm telling you now, you'll just never be as funny as a dog in clothes. Dogs in clothes. Dogs in clothes. Everybody knows there's nothing funnier than dogs in clothes. You can dress them up in a party hat, or those costumes with little fake hands, a diaper, a mustache, a frilly dress. Just do it and you'll understand how ridiculous is a poodle in pants. It can change your whole demeanor, 'cause you can't help but giggle like a little girl when you see socks on a wiener. Dog in clothes. Wiener dog in clothes. Everybody knows there's nothing funnier than dogs in clothes. Some say it's inhumane that dogs don't like getting snappy, but who's to say that that constipated face isn't their way of saying I'm happy? Dogs in clothes. Dogs in clothes. Everybody knows there's nothing funnier than dogs in clothes.